What I love about teaching SEC504 ultimately is the variety of student experiences coming in, the variety of curriculum that we teach as well. It really blends nicely with my career. My career is I've always been a jack of all trades. I'm thrown into a lot of different roles, expected to do a lot of different things, which in some ways has hindered me at becoming an expert in, say, penetration testing. I've dabbled with penetration testing and I've been a part of numerous teams, but it's not what I do day in and day out. The fact that SEC504 is covering some penetration testing topics and a lot of defensive topics as well ties in with what I've had to do on a day-to-day basis at testing out different techniques used by hackers and then figuring out how we best detect and protect against those.